Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. Now we need to consider the first one in here. So I will put the negative go to the left. Next, I will put the square root for the both sides. So if we look carefully, s is greater than or equals to number 0. So in this situation, we just consider about the positive side. So we don't need to care about the negative in here. So we just have only one positive. We cannot have positive or negative because if we have the negative in here, this one you always got the negative number. However, the condition of s is greater than or equal to number 0. That means they always positive. So we cannot have always negative equal to always positive. That's why we just have only this one like this. And now the inverse function of this one, that should be like this. So this one we have the square root of negative s. We know that the domain of inverse function is the range of function. So if we look on the range of this one, when s is greater than or equals to number 0, so we know that when s go to positive infinity, this one they go to negative infinity. So if we put number 0 on here and you got number 0, so that means from 0 to negative infinity. So the domain of this one, that should be about s is smaller than or equal to number 0. Now let's go to the second one. So I will put this one go to the left, f of s go to the right. Next, we put the cube root for the both sides. And this one you got about s. So the second one, that should be like this. Now we need to find the domain of this one. So we consider the range of this one. So when we put number 0 on here, we have number 1. Now when s approaches to negative infinity, this one they will go to negative infinity. However, we have the negative side. So you got positive infinity. So this one, that means s is greater than number 1. And this is the final answer of the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.